Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that 5 plus token. Now before I start the video, let's say my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, 5 plus token stands as a multifaceted digital assets on Binance Smart Chain, intervening decentralized finance with tangible value. At its core, 5PT is a deflationary and assets backed, offering a unique staking mechanism where stake tokens are permanently burned, thus reducing supply and enhancing scarcity. This deflationary model is complemented by daily rewards distributed through automated smart contracts, ensuring a seamless user experience. The token's foundation is built upon 5 distinct asset classes: previous metals, digital currencies, real estate, equity participation, and transaction fee based ventures. 5 plus project institution rating is 3.9, and this project audited by Cybercorp. 5 plus token total supply is 92.57 billion and circulating supply is around 12.59 billion 5PT token. 5PT token is listed on PancakeSwap, V2 and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 65% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.